Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today we will start our next exercise, that is fourth exercise. Okay. In this exercise we have to do the division of the decimal numbers. So first three questions are related to the division by the 10, 100 and the 1000. Okay. In this we have to not show this division, we have to just shift the decimal point. Okay. When we are multiplying with the 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like that, so our decimal point will move to the right hand side. But in the division, our decimal point will move to the left hand side. Okay. So here what we have to do? 32.56. We have to divide this by 10. We have to divide this by 10. So this decimal point will shift to the left hand side. So what will be our answer? 3.256. Okay. Here, suppose you have to divide 0.58 by the 100. Okay. So now our decimal point will move to the left hand side with the two places. Okay. So 1, 2. So point will be here. So what will be that number? 0.0058. Initially point was here. So now I shifted here. So what is our answer? Our answer is 0.0058. Now 2 by the 1000. We have to divide 2 by the 1000. So what will be our answer? We have to, when decimal is not given, that is decimal is at the end of that number. So this is 2 point something. So it will be 0, 0, 0, and you can write 2 here, one more 0. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So what is our answer? Our answer is 0.002. This is our answer. You will do the remaining parts by your own. This is very easy. Now the question number 4 is also very easy. You have to do only simple division there. I am doing now question number 5. In the question number 5, what we have to do here? We have to divide the decimal numbers. Okay. So question number 5, this is your 8th part, in which 0.768 we have to divide this by 16. We have to divide this by 16. Okay. So how you will do the division here? First you will write like this: 7, 6, 8. Okay, point is here, and here is 16. Okay. If these numbers are divisible by any number, you can divide that. Okay. And also you can remove this decimal. If you want to remove this decimal, you can put 1000 here. Why? Because in this number, after the decimal point there is 3 digits. So I will put 3, 0 and 1. That means 1000 here. So now if they are cutting, you can cut. Don't cut this, because from this I will put just a decimal point. I can cut this. 2 8s are, and this is 2 3s are, 2 8s are, and 2 4s are. Again cutting. Okay. So first this is on the 2 4s are, 2 1s are, 2 9s are, and 2 2s are. Okay. Again going on. First check this on the 4 directly. 4 4s are 16 and 3 2. So this is completely divisible. 4 4s are 16, 3 will left. 4 8s are 32. So what is our answer here? What is our answer here? 48 divided by 1000. I am not cutting this 1000. Why? Because from this 1000 I can put decimal point directly. So what is our answer? Our answer is 0.048, because there is 3 zeros. So 1 2 3 decimal point will be here. This is our answer. Now the question number 5. Question number 5, 15th part. In that 0.477 we have to divide this by 18. We have to divide this by 18. First we will check whether these are divisible by any common factor or not. So this is divisible by 2, but this is not. This is divisible by 3. Check this also. 7 7s are 14. So 7 7 14. 14 plus 4 18. So sum of digit is divisible by 3. So what we will do? We will remove the decimal point first. 477, and decimal point will remove, and we will divide this by 1000, because we have removed that decimal point. Now these both numbers are divisible by 3. 3 ones are Then 1 and 7, 3 5s are 15, 3 9s are, 3 6s are. Now check that on 3. That is divisible by 3. This is also 3 2s are and 3 5s are and 3 3s are 9. Now what we get here? We get 53 2 into 1000. Okay. What we will do now? We will first divide this number by 2. We will first divide this number by 2. That we can do directly. 2 2s are 4. 1 will be 2 6s are 12. Point will be there. Then 2 5s are 10. And this number is also divided by 1000. Okay. Okay. Now put the decimal point 1 2 3. So 0 0 2 6 5. Decimal is here. Decimal is here. 1 2 3. So what is our answer now? Our answer is 0.065. 0.065. So what you will do in the when the small numbers are given and there is any common factor, so first you will try to cut that numbers, remove the decimal, put the multiple of 10 there, and after that you will not cut this number, you will use this for putting the decimal point at the end. Okay. Now the question number 6. In the question number 6, what we have to do? We have to divide the given numbers by the like the 200, 100, 500, 600, 40, 60 means the multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 is given there. Okay. So what we will do there? For question number 6, this is your fourth part. Here is given 1, 5, 6.8. We have to divide this by 200. We have to divide this by 200. So first what we can do? We can write this 6 this and this 2 into 100. 2 into 100. Okay. We can use this 100 before solving this, and we can use this 100 after solving this. Choice is your. आप कैसे भी कर सकते हैं. First, look at here. They are divisible. They are cutting. So 2 1s are yes. Here is 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. Point and 2 4s are 8. So what I get here? 78.4 divided by 100. Divided by 100. Okay. So now you can put the decimal point. 78 4. Where will be point? Point was there. So it will be here. So 0.784 is our answer. Okay. Now the sixth part, 18.08. We have to divide this by 400. Similarly, we will break 4 into 100. 4 into 100. So this will be 4 into 100. Now this 100 we will use for the decimal point, and we will try to solve this. First check whether they are divisible. They are going on the 2, but we have first check on the 4. Whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. Yes. Last 2 digit is divisible by 4. That means that complete number is divisible by 4. So now you can cut this 4 1 ja here. 4 4 ja 16. 2 will be left. And point will be there. Now 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8. So what we get here? 4.52 divided by 100. Now because we have to do division, so point will move to the left hand side. Okay. So here will be 0.452 means 0.0452. How? Because point will shift 2 places. So here then here. So this is our answer. Now the question number 7. In the question number 7 we have to do also the division. Question number 7. I have taken here 2 parts. 11th part. In the 11th part, 148, we have to divide this number by 0.074. 074. So what you will do? First you will write like this: 148 divided by 0.074. Now try to remove the decimal points if given. So here is given after the decimal there is 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. So on the opposite side means if number is as a denominator तो आप numerator को multiply करेंगे. If the decimal is in the numerator then you will multiply the denominator with the multiples of 10 and that will depend on the decimal point. So here 148 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I'll multiply this with 1000 and here is only 74. Here is only 74. Now cut this number. 4 2s are 8, 7 2s are 14. So 1 ja and this is at the 2 ja. So what is our answer here? 2000. Correct? Okay. You can solve this here also. आप यहाँ पे भी इसको solve कर सकते थे. But don't get confused in the decimal point. Okay. आप पहले decimal को remove कीजिए, then you will solve your question. Now the question number 7 and part is, this is 15th part. We have to divide 3 by 80. 3 by 80. How we will do this division here? 3 by 80. So what we will do? One thing you can use here 3 8 upon 10. Sorry, 3 upon 8 into 10. I break this 8 into 10. Now first put this decimal point, that means 0.3 divided by 8. Now you can do this division. Okay. First there is point, so I'll put the point. Now I'll take the 3. This is not going, so I'll put the 0 and 1 0 here. Now 8 3s are 24. Yes. Okay. So what I'll get here? I'll get here 6. Okay. Not going, so 1 0 I can put with my choice. So now it will go on the 8 7s are 56. I'll get here 4. Yes. Now I'll put one more 0. 8 5s are 40. Remainder is 0. When remainder will be 0, we will stop there. Okay. So what is our answer? Our answer is 0.0375. This is our answer for this. Okay. Now we will do the question number 10, 13 and 17. Remaining you will do by your own. In this complete exercise, you have to do only the division of the decimal numbers. Okay. In all the statement numbers, price, cost, we can say given for the many things, and you have to find out that for the one item. Means one item, how you will find out? By using the division. Okay. Question number 10. A car covers distance of 22.8 km in 2.4 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? We have to find out the distance. So distance we will take on the right hand side. So we will write here distance covered in 2.4 liter petrol. We will write here distance covered in 2.4 liter of petrol. What is that distance? That distance is given 22.8 kilometer. So now distance covered in 1 liter of petrol, that will be less. For the less we will do the division. This will be divided by this. This will be divided by this. So you have to do this division by your own, or you can cut that numbers first. You can remove the decimal here. There is after decimal 1 digit, here is also. So from decimal will remove and your number will be 228 and here will be 24. Now you can cut this at the This is going on 12 also. 12 twos are 12 ones are, here will be 10, 108, 12 nines are 108. So now 19 upon 2 means half of the 19. What will be that? What will be that? 9.5, 9.5, or you can say 9 more 1 upon 2 kilometer. This is your answer. This is your answer. Now the question number, I am rubbing this now. Question number 13. Now the question number 13. What we have to do in the question number 13? Please read the statement from your book. In the question number 13, if 69 buckets of equal capacity can be filled with this liter of the water, what is the capacity of each bucket? Okay, so we have to find out the capacity of one bucket. So capacity of 69 buckets is given. So we will write here capacity of 69 buckets. What is that? What is that? That is 586.5 liter. So we have to find out capacity of each bucket. That will be less. That will be less. 586.5 will be divisible by 69. We have to divide this. Okay. So here there is decimal point. You can remove this. You can remove that 569 into 10. Okay. Now you can cut these numbers. Okay. So you will cut these numbers at the first. Check that for 3. This is divisible by 3. Check this also. 10, then it will be 1424. Yes, this is divisible by 3. So you will cut this first 3, then you will check and then you will solve this. Your answer will be in the liter. Now the question number 17. Question number 17. In the question number 17, the product of two decimals. Product of two decimals is given. Product of two decimals. What is that? That is 261.36. And one decimal number is given. One decimal number is given. What is that decimal number? That decimal number is 17.6. Okay. So what will be the other decimal number? Let the other decimal number be x, you can say, or you can find out directly. Other decimal number is equal to the product of two numbers will be divisible. We have to divide that by the first number. Okay. So here you have to cut these two. First you will try to cut on the 2, then on the 3, like that, and whatever you will get, that will be your answer, and that will be your other decimal number. So try to do this all by your own. Solve this also in rough notebook and match your answer. Okay, thank you class. Have a nice day.